Tammy Slaton has never shied away from letting the world see her at her most vulnerable. For years, fans of 1000 lb Sisters have followed her life's journey as she battled health crises, struggled with weight, and faced the ups and downs of family drama. Through it all, viewers witnessed her resilience, her sometimes fiery personality, and her determination to fight for a better life. Now Tammy is giving fans something refreshingly joyful to talk about. In a new photo that quickly spread across social media, she is smiling big, showing off her fixed front tooth, and looking happier than ever. For longtime supporters, it's more than just a cosmetic update, it's a powerful symbol of how far she has come. The picture, which appeared online this week, highlights a side of Tammy that many fans say they haven't seen before. Gone is the guarded expression or the self-conscious habit of covering her mouth when she laughs. Instead, Tammy is letting the world see her new smile in full. With her front tooth repaired, her grin is wide and genuine, lighting up her face in a way that fans immediately noticed. The comments on her post were flooded with messages of love, encouragement, and celebration. Many expressed how proud they were to see her continue her journey of self-care, while others admitted they got emotional at seeing something so simple make such a huge difference in her confidence. For Tammy, this isn't just about dental work. Over the past few years, her transformation has been remarkable. After hitting rock bottom with severe health scares that left her hospitalized and in a medically induced coma, Tammy shocked both fans and critics by turning her life around. She underwent weight loss surgery, shed hundreds of pounds, and slowly but steadily reclaimed her health. Along the way, her personality blossomed in ways fans had only glimpsed before. She started posting more frequently on TikTok, showing off dance moves, makeup looks, and moments of laughter. She began attending family events, spending more time with loved ones, and even opening up about her romantic relationships. Each step has been part of a bigger comeback story that continues to inspire people around the world. But this new smile marks something different, something deeply personal. Oral health is often overlooked in discussions of overall wellness, but for someone like Tammy, fixing her tooth isn't just cosmetic. It's a way of saying she values herself enough to keep improving, to keep investing in her body, and to keep shining. Health experts often stress that dental issues can affect everything from self-esteem to eating habits, and for Tammy, who already faced major dietary changes after surgery, repairing her tooth may play a bigger role than fans even realize. It could help her eat with greater ease, speak with more comfort, and most importantly, smile without hesitation. The timing of this reveal is also important. Tammy has been in one of the best chapters of her life since her surgery, and her weight loss has been dramatic enough that some fans barely recognize her compared to the woman they first saw on TLC. Adding her new smile on top of that transformation gives her a glow that fans can't stop talking about. Many say this is the happiest and healthiest Tammy has ever looked. One fan wrote on social media, "That smile just made my day. You can see how much she's changed, inside and out." Another added, "This is the Tammy we've been waiting to see for years. Confident, joyful, beautiful, and unapologetically herself." Of course, Tammy's journey hasn't been easy, and longtime viewers know how much she's endured to get here. When 1000 lb Sisters first premiered, Tammy's health seemed to be on a dangerous decline. She struggled with mobility, relied heavily on oxygen, and faced repeated hospitalizations. There were moments when fans feared she wouldn't make it through. The show documented her frustration, anger, and despair as she fought against not only her body but also her inner battles. It was heartbreaking to watch, and it sparked debates online about whether reality TV was helping or hurting her, but Tammy turned her story around in dramatic fashion. With the support of her family, her doctors, and her own willpower, she lost enough weight to qualify for bariatric surgery. The operation marked the beginning of a new chapter, one that has since been filled with milestones. Each update, walking on her own, traveling without medical equipment, enjoying time with family, has been a celebration. The smile reveal is simply the latest addition to that list, and while it may seem small to some, it resonates deeply with fans who know what Tammy has been through. Beyond the physical change, Tammy's tooth fix carries emotional weight. For years, she was the target of cruel online trolling, with strangers picking apart her appearance and mocking her struggles. Many reality stars face criticism, but Tammy endured some of the harshest treatment. By proudly sharing her new smile, she is taking control of her narrative, showing the world that she refuses to let negativity define her. Instead of hiding, she is embracing her glow up, one step at a time. Her resilience in the face of public scrutiny is something her supporters admire most about her. The photo has also sparked conversations about whether Tammy's dental transformation will be featured on an upcoming season of 1000 LB Sisters. The show thrives on documenting both major and minor updates in the sisters' lives, and fans suspect that producers will seize the opportunity to highlight Tammy's latest milestone. TLC viewers love these intimate moments because they humanize the stars beyond their weight struggles. Seeing Tammy beam with pride over her fixed tooth would add another heartfelt layer to her ongoing journey. As Tammy continues to embrace her new life, her family remains a central part of her story. Sister Amy Halterman has been vocal about wanting Tammy to live a long, healthy, and happy life. While Amy has had her own ups and downs with weight loss and parenting, the bond between the sisters remains unshakable. Fans often speculate how Amy reacts to Tammy's progress, and it's easy to imagine her beaming with pride at her sister's glowing new smile. Other family members, including siblings Chris and Amanda, have also been supportive of Tammy's efforts, cheering her on every step of the way. The Slayton family dynamic, which has always been raw and real on television, is now tinged with more joy than despair as Tammy flourishes. What makes this update especially impactful is how relatable it feels. While Tammy's journey has played out on a large stage, the simple act of fixing a tooth and showing off a confident smile is something everyone can connect with. People understand the way a smile can change how you feel about yourself and how others see you. Tammy's willingness to share her milestone so openly allows fans to celebrate not just her physical transformation but her emotional healing as well. As one commenter put it, Tammy's smile shows she's finally free. Free from shame, free from hiding, free from the weight of the past. That sense of liberation is what resonates most with fans who have been rooting for her from day one. The road ahead is still long for Tammy, as maintaining her health will require lifelong commitment. But moments like this remind everyone, including Tammy herself, that progress is possible, even when it feels slow or overwhelming. Every milestone, no matter how small, builds toward a bigger picture of healing. Her fixed tooth isn't just a cosmetic fix. It's a piece of her comeback story, one that fans are eager to continue following. As 1000 LB Sisters prepares for future seasons, there is no doubt Tammy's glowing new smile will become one of the most talked about moments. Whether it's celebrated on TV or simply cherished by her online community, it's already a powerful reminder that change is possible and that joy can be found in unexpected places. Tammy Slayton's story has always been about more than weight. It's about resilience, transformation, and finding the strength to keep going when life feels impossible. Her smile now reflects all of that and more. With her front tooth fixed, she's not just showing off a new look, she's showing the world that she is alive, thriving, and ready to embrace her future. And for fans who have been there through every tear, every setback, and every triumph, that big, beautiful smile is worth celebrating louder than ever. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.